What up, people? Coach Wally here, and I wanted to help you out with this new beta. Some of you are interested in trying out this new beta for Serato, and I wanted to show you how to install it safely so that you can install the beta version and enjoy it, but still maintain the original version that you have, so that you can do your gigs on it and, not play with some fire, like taking the beta out, testing it live, having it crash on you or something like that. The first thing you want to do is go to your applications folder. So if I go to my Finder and I go to applications, you'll see that I have two versions here of Serato. Now, what you're going to want to do is rename the folder or the Serato that you are currently using. So if I click here, rename, you'll notice I have this 2.6.0, right? So that's the current version that I have. And then there's the new version. This is the version that we're going to install. So once I have this renamed, go to your emails. Hopefully you got this email. If not, I can always list the link in here. But you go to join the beta, click this. Now we will go to download the latest Serato DJ Pro beta version. Click that. Here's all the pretty much what it supports. So, make sure that your gear is listed here or else it's not even going to work. So you want to check that. It says like, bug fix. It says like your, I think before maybe it might have told you like your operating system that you can do it on, all these things. But yeah, pretty much you go here. If you have Mac or Windows, whatever your version is, click that. And then you have this 3.0, that's going to be the beta version. Download that. Once you have that downloaded and installed, you could rename that one to, like I said, to beta. And so then you'll have two different versions and you can play on both of them. So let's actually go and experiment with that real quick. If I go to so that's the version I just installed. So let's go back to my applications. So let's pull up the normal version first. This is the current version I have. All right, so this is the current version that I have. Yeah, looks normal. Nothing special here, right? All right, so let's close this out. Now let's check out the beta version. All right, so here's the beta version. Right here it has a big warning letting you know that this is currently the beta version. Uh, you know, Back up your Serato data, ensure that you have the latest drivers and firmware. Yeah, just big warning right in your face. So, I don't think you'll be able to mistake it so that when you open up this version, you're gonna know that this is the beta version. And if you are planning on doing an event with this, like you play with fire, you just never know if this thing could crash. I personally have tested this for an hour, 20 minutes, and it worked perfectly and it was amazing. It was so fun, but it crashed on me an hour 20 in. Um, didn't completely like close out, but like all my cues on my mixer froze, and it pretty much didn't do anything. Like the cues weren't doing anything. I could still select songs, but yeah, the cues were completely like frozen. So be mindful of that, y'all. But here we go. Beta version. Let's see. So here's the new features, and we're ready to go, y'all. Test it out, have some fun. Let me know how you like it.